All right, gang, we're gonna do something probably super unheard of. We're gonna do a durability test. We are gonna actually take this thing out there in the street and we're gonna put my big old 6,000 pound Ram 2500 Mega Slab out there and we're gonna run this thing over. Sipping on my lean and I'm What is up, gang? Gang, we back in this thing with another video. Today we're gonna have a unboxing for an awesome product that the awesome people over at BUZBE.com, BUZBE.com actually sent us over. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. This is for a brand new for 2019 tackle management solution, man. This thing is absolutely awesome. I got a chance to look at it online. It actually debuted this year in ICAST 2019. And yeah, man, I was absolutely blown away by it. So nevertheless, let's get right into this thing. All right, first off, I've already opened the box, obviously, as far as split it open to see what was going on. And I already got my first look, so this is absolutely amazing though. But so we got, first thing in the box, we got some stickers, man. These things are super high quality stickers, man. Something you can throw up on your back window of your vehicle, throw them on your kayak, whatever it may be. Nice stickers right there, super quality. Then this book that comes in here, this is actually made out of actual like a plastic material, so this thing is super high quality. It's basically a brochure basically showing you, basically a little bit of information about the tackle management system and things of that nature. The quality of this thing is unbelievable. Military grade latches, man, that's just something that instantly stands out for me. One thing about me, I've always used the Plano 3700 boxes. So the awesome thing about this box is it's the exact same size as a Plano 3700 box. So off rip, bam, that's the first one out of the box. This thing is super high quality, man, as far as this quality goes. Military grade plastic. The latches on this thing, rust proof. Everything about it that stands out says superb quality. This thing's got a little bit of weight to it. So it's very, very nice. That good ABS, super clear lid on here. The design work on it is amazing as well. They really put a lot of thought into this, man. Quality is top notch. They definitely did not skip a beat with the quality. Also, one thing that's really, really great about this thing is actually airtight, watertight as well. So there's a silicone gasket that's inside of here. So you hear that crisp snap of those latches, man. That thing is not coming open. But this is actually a watertight, airtight gasket that runs the whole entire perimeter of this lid. So if this thing falls off of your boat, falls off of your kayak, you don't have to worry about any water getting in here and actually ruining your tackle, your baits, whatever you may have in here. Second thing to note, these modular storage systems that are in here actually come out. So this thing is completely customizable to your liking. Basically, so they have what's called this hex lock system that's right in here. That gives you these notches that are on the bottom. It's almost like Legos. These things just fit together perfectly. You can configure this any way you want to. They just pop right in. And the cool thing about it is those things lock in. They're not going anywhere. You can turn this thing upside down, shake it, shake it, shake it. Those are not popping out of there whatsoever. So you can take this out. So this right here is a 1x3 modular system. These are your 1x2s. Then you have 1x1s. Then you have a 1x4, and then you have this 2x2. Again, you can customize this any way you want to. So you can snap that one in like that. You can take these 2x2s and put them over here, or these 1x3s, put them over here. You can put these in the middle. You can take these and put them here. Put that one right there. Take that, put that there if you want. Put those there. Put that there. And that there. And you completely change the entire layout of this box any way that you want it. You can do whatever you want with this system. Absolutely amazing. So, again, for me, what stands out the most about this that I like is the fact that, so something that you should take note of is right here on the lid of this box. You see these squares? These are actually raised. So what happened is they actually fit down inside of the lip of that box. So what happens is, you know, what a lot of us have problems with is, like, for instance, when we have like our Plano 3700 boxes, you know, when you turn these things upside down, you got terminal tackle in there, that stuff starts rolling around in there and sliding over these boxes, you know, the compartments where they're supposed to stay. Like right there, you see my Ned head is already sliding over and out of that. If that was just a regular hook and not a Ned, that would be down here in that compartment over here. Those lips that are right here on the top of this thing are going to prevent any of that tackle from sliding and moving from the compartment that you chose to put it in. So that right there alone is a super awesome feature of this. So another awesome feature of this box is that these boxes they've impregnated this plastic with this anti-rust additive that prevents your tackle from rusting. So if you're a saltwater angler, you know, even freshwater angler, you know, dealing with rust is something that we always have a problem with. You know, our terminal tackle is always starting to rust after a long time sitting in our tackle boxes. That additive that's inside of these boxes, inside of this plastic, it's emitted from the plastic that actually kind of coats your terminal tackle that prevents them from rusting. So that is a super awesome feature as well. So obviously whenever you buy one of these boxes, you know, again, this is a premium product. I mean, you just look at just the way that this is put together. I mean, this is absolutely a premium product. And I mean, to me, this is going to become the industry standard, man, very soon. So, but what you get with the box is obviously you get a box. But if, say, for instance, you want to change out the way the layout of this is, but you don't want to necessarily use these, the ones that come with it, you can actually order extras of the compartments that you want. So right here, I picked up some extra 1x3s. I got some extra 1x1s, and then I also got some extra 1x2s. But you can also get the 1x4s and the 2x2s as well. And then, you know, we still got 2 other boxes that are here in the box as well. But again, this thing, these are super, super high quality, man. I'm absolutely blown away with the quality of this. I mean, the packaging, everything about this says quality. They actually took a runner-up to, obviously, to Plano for most innovative tackle solution this year at ICAST. So another really awesome feature about these boxes is if you see this lip on the bottom down here, you see that shape of that lip. Well, the same thing is on the top of this. So, but this one is indented in. So basically, you can stack these boxes. You can stack them. You can't do that with a Plano box. That's not going anywhere. You can stack those just like that on top of each other. Like if you're sit on the deck of your boat, sit on the deck of your kayak, whatever it may be, or you're just stacking these up somewhere on the shelf in your garage, those aren't going to slide everywhere. You can stack these things 10 high and they're not going to slide off and hit the ground whenever you bump or move them. So that is an awesome feature as well. But yeah, man, I'm absolutely in love with these, man. I'm actually about to get ready to do some swapping over, man. I'm about to get rid of these Plano 3700 boxes. I'm about to load these bad boys up and get ready for Sunday, man, because we're actually going to get out on the lake tomorrow. And yeah, man, it's going to be an awesome time. So I plan on putting these things through their paces while we're out there. I'll probably actually even dunk 1 or 2 of them in the water just to really see how they perform. But yeah, man, these are super, super awesome. And I look forward to definitely using these things, man. These are super nice. All right, gang, we're going to do something probably super unheard of. We're going to do a durability test. We are going to actually take this thing out there in the street, and we're going to put my big old 6,000 pound Ram 2500 Mega Slab out there, and we're going to run this thing over. We also brought, just for the test to show you the durability difference, a normal Plano 3700 box. These are what I normally use, and I'm going to show you why I made the switch to BUZBE Tackle Management System. So let's go out here, and we're going to kick things off first with the Plano box. So let me go set this camera up. We're going to run this bad boy over. Can you see me? Plano box is going first, BUZBE second. We're going to lay this one down right here. as you can see, those results are absolutely trash. I can't do anything with this anymore. This is absolutely done. Now, let's see what that new Buzzbee, indestructible military grade, pretty much almost indestructible military grade plastic of that new Buzzbee superior tackle management system is going to do. Let me back the truck up and then we're going to put this one down there. So yeah, man, after that right there, that is, I'm highly impressed with this product, man. This is an amazing product, Buzzbee Modular Tackle Management System, man. The guys over there reached out to me, man, and I thought it was an absolute awesome opportunity, man, to do something like this. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna be working with them in the future, so I'll definitely link their information down in the description so that you guys can actually go over there to the website and check that out. Man, very awesome product, man. Premium product, something that I feel like you guys are going to be extremely happy with. I'm extremely happy with it. The quality of these things are absolutely amazing, and I look forward to using these from now and into the future, man. This is going to be super awesome. So be looking for these things in my videos in the future, man, because that's going to pretty much be my tackle management solution from now on. They've got a bunch of new products basically releasing over the next 4 years. So as those products release and start coming out, you will start seeing those things on the channel as well, and I'll start debuting that stuff as it comes in. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing and this review. First look, really my first look at the Buzzbee tackle management system, man. This thing is super awesome, man. Really excited about this. The Colony 28 is what this one is called. Definitely, man, you guys should go over there and check these out and grab you a couple while you're at it. So yeah, man, without further ado, man, we're gonna end this video on that note. So as always, man, if you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback. And as always, check back in with your boy, ThatBassFishingDude, for the next video. Peace!